Hey, hi, hello. We're making beef curry today, and if I film the intro now, I don't have to do it after I shower and go to the store and get ingredients. So, life hack. So let's go do those things. Maybe I'll just do it separately, we'll just come back and regroup. Cool? What's up, my little Thai Chilli Peppers, and welcome to J-Max Amateur Kitchen. Today, we're making beef curry. Let's just get into it. Recipe and measurements in the description below. Let's make this thing. We're starting off with 2 red onions and 2 tomatoes, chopped. There we go. And we're just gonna throw some olive oil in a pan, and we're gonna dump in our onions and tomatoes. We're gonna throw in a half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper. And we're gonna cover it and let that cook on medium heat for about 5 minutes. And 5 minutes, and it looks pretty disgusting. But that's okay. We're gonna take this over to the blender. And we're gonna liquefy. Alright, we got our puree. Let's put that off to the side for now. And get started on our meat. We have a pound of eye-round beef. I'm just gonna cut that in about 1-inch cubes. Alright, we got our beef. Just gonna take some ginger and grate about a tablespoon. Back over to our pan. We're gonna throw this on medium-high heat, throw in some olive oil, and throw our meat in. Half a teaspoon of salt and pepper. We're just letting this sear for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we're gonna add in our ginger. We're gonna mince in 4 cloves of garlic and a teaspoon of ground cumin. We're just gonna add in 2.5 cups of water and our tomato onion puree. And the last ingredient, curry. So this curry powder we actually made for the coconut curry video. I'll throw the recipe for this in the description below, but if you want to check it out, I'll link it up at the end of the video. You could also just buy curry powder. We're throwing in 1 tablespoon. Throw a lid on it. And we're gonna let that cook for about 30 minutes. Alright, and check it out. I got some Thai Chilli Peppers. I'm gonna cut the stem off, and then just cut these guys in half. And after 30 minutes, the sauce is thickened up. We're gonna throw in our chili peppers, and I'm gonna take them out later. I'm gonna let this cook for another 5 minutes. Alright, and we're ready to go. Take out these peppers quick, I don't like them. And let's plate it up. I'm gonna throw down some rice. And we're gonna top that off with our beef curry. Top that off with some fresh mint. And you got a finished, easy beef curry. Keep calm and curry on. Beef curry. Beef curry. Beef curry. GD Flexies, or GD Flex YZ, or GD Flexi Z. This one's for you. And it's so delicious and easy to make. Alright, new series coming up next week. If you're not subscribed and you want to see it, well, subscribe then. And thank you for watching. What's up, my little Thai Chilli?